Evening, everybody. Went out yesterday and found this bandsaw on Facebook. Got it at a pretty good price. Part of the problem that I had with it was made a lot of vibrations, and I did a little troubleshooting and I found the problem. Problem came with this pulley right here. The keyway here was missing completely, which allowed the pulley to just kind of freewheel on that shaft and wallowed it out a good bit. You'll see here it makes a lot of noise, and of course that caused a lot of the vibrations as well. My solution was to take a piece of aluminum can, trimmed it to fit the around the shaft, put it on there and slid the pulley over, and you'll see it makes a world of difference. Still got a lot of room to go, but it's a good start. Have a good one.